Hey, Ndanga, that goal, Ndanga, that was yes. I was watching it repeat namhlanje mfethu. Mayingena le goal Ndanga. Yabona the way celebrating akhona stadium.
Celebrated the same.
Celebrated the second time. I was like, wow, mfethu.
I was shocked.
Wow, mfethu, like mfethu khale re di bona dipeng, mfethu khale re bona bo Kekana.
Yeah.
Mfethu khale re bona bo Matlaba, mfethu khale mfethu. That one, mfethu, that one is something else, dog. I ain't get like from a striker.
Man, do you
Yang zol into. I ain't
that's
get from
true.
a striker. Yang zol into injan. As guy this striker sizwele on his own. Yang zol into injan. 86 minutes or 87 minutes of the
86,
game.
yeah.
Yang zol. That's pressure. Mfethu. That's pressure. You know you can't mess up this ball. Yang zol. For him to take it from the back, mfethu, run with the ball, mfethu, look up and see there's no option. And he said to take that responsibility to say mfethu as a captain. I'm shooting here and down. Yes.
Did you see the
yo. Hey, stand fast. But I was like this.
What's happening here?
Watching that ball like in admiration. If it like wala. Beautiful goal. Beautiful goal.
Uqiniza ugoalkeeper mfana wazwa ngamafensi wa celebrate. Hawu.
Sesekhoneni.